Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Tharp with the Vision Care Center in Evansville, Indiana. For patients who are about to have cataract surgery, it's important for them to understand what their implant options are. Some implants are designed to correct distance vision, a term we refer to as a monofocal implant. There are also multifocal implants, extended depth of focus implants, and even bifocal implants that are designed to reduce your dependence on glasses after cataract surgery. It's an important part of the decision process for cataract surgery to know which type of implant a patient would like to have. Patients don't always understand that not only is cataract surgery an opportunity to improve the clarity of their vision, but may also be an opportunity to reduce their dependence on glasses after cataract surgery. At the Vision Care Center, we offer many options for implants with cataract surgery. It's very important for patients to understand before they have their cataract surgery what their implant options are and make sure that they get the implant that is best for their lifestyle.